Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Travelsheesh.
In today's video, we are taking you to a hot air balloon festival which is happening in Katara.
So guys, we are back after the tea. Let's see कि balloon flight होती है कि नहीं. And I think they are started. Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Travelsheesh, जहाँ मैं सदर
मैं हूँ आतिफ।
हम लेकर चलते हैं आपको डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पर। आज हम आपको लेकर आए हैं कटारा में, जहाँ पर चल रहा है बलून फेस्टिवल
And kite festival.
या देयर इज अ हॉट एयर बलून फेस्टिवल। सो आज उड़ते हुए देखते हैं कतर में बलून्स को। लेट्स गो एंड हैव सम फन।
So what, I wanna hang with my friends. So what, I wanna go out again. So what, I wanna write you a song.
हमारी आज की वीडियो में हम आपको लेकर जा रहे हैं कतारा में, जहाँ पर हो रहा है बलून
Balloon
फेस्टिवल।
festival.
दिस इज द 5th एडिशन ऑफ बलून फेस्टिवल।
My way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show 'cause it's all that I know. It goes like
So guys, this festival is from 12th to 21st, 10-day का festival है ये, and they are 50 balloons will go up in the air and 21 countries are participating in that. So let's see how it goes.
it goes like I guess it's been a while since I was told lies. I can be like this and I can be like that. I guess my time.
So guys, for the first 1,000 flight, it's for 500, around 499, and after that, I think it's around 999, which is 1,000 riyal. So it's a very expensive flight. If you want to take it and if you want to experience it, so it's totally worth it.
Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while.
So guys, इससे पहले हमने ली थी balloon flight in Cappadocia. Afan, you remember that?
Yes.
You were a baby at
yes.
that time.
Yeah, I was only 3 or 4 years old.
No, you were 6 years old.
I was 6?
Yeah, only 6 are allowed to take a balloon flight over there. We waited for you to have 6. So इससे पहले हमने ली थी Cappadocia में flight and it was marvelous. यहाँ पर जो है अभी फ्लाइट करते हुए हम बलून को देखेंगे because it's subjected to the wind. अगर विंडी वेदर ज़्यादा होता है तो they will cancel the flight. So let's see आज बलून उड़ते हैं कि नहीं.
I hope so they don't cancel the flight.
It goes like
So guys, weather is very windy. I doubt it कि आज balloons जो है वो उड़ते हैं कि नहीं उड़ते हैं because yesterday they are saying that it was for the only 10 minutes. Otherwise अगर मौसम अच्छा है and wind is not there, so half an hour की flight जो है ये balloons लेते हैं.
friends. So what, I wanna go out again. So what,
Hi guys, behind me you can see these mini houses which you can order food from.
we're singing. It goes like
बलून फेस्टिवल के साथ साथ यहाँ पर काइट मेकिंग भी हो रही है और यहाँ लोग अपनी काइट्स लेकर भी उड़ा रहे हैं एंड दे विल मेक अ काइट एंड देन दे विल फ्लाई इट. सो यहाँ पर काफ़ी कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ हैं विद बलून फेस्टिवल. सो यू कैन ब्रिंग योर किड्स एंड एंजॉय द इवनिंग्स ओवर हियर.
Over there you can see, over there there's a kite making festival. So over there you make the kites and you can fly, as you can see here.
Yeah, there? Yeah, so many kites. And guys, on my back side you can see these all the cars. They are ready. अभी जो है 7 बजे इनकी flight होगी. They are opening a balloon and they will fly at 7.
Look at this serene beach at the sunset view. It's in Qatar actually. Hi guys, look at the sky colors during sunset in Katara. Amazing, amazing.
And guys, on my back side you can see over the hill there are the beautiful chalets. ये आपको मिलते हैं on the rent, but they are very expensive, but definitely worth spending time here. So आतिफ, हमने क्या लिया है?
हम लोगों ने
पिज्ज़ा लिया है और चाय ली है। जब कड़क ली है जब तक बलून की फ्लाइट स्टार्ट होती है हम कुछ रिफ्रेश हो जाए, राइट? एंजॉय। Safan, what you got from here?
I got some noodles from one of these stalls over here.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Till the time balloon will fly, you will have some refreshments.
Yes.
Okay, enjoy. So guys, now we are over the Katara Hills. Over here, you can see the whole Qatar city, and वहाँ मेरे आप देख सकते हैं chalet, और बैक साइड पे नजर आ रहा है Sand Regal. So it's a very nice place. If you want to take a whole view of the city, you can come here. Sunset पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन अभी हम आए हुए हैं टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए जब तक के बलून फ्लाइट होती है. So let's go and see के बलून है कि नहीं. So guys, we are back after the tea. Let's see, they are gearing up. अब देखते हैं कि weather condition कैसी है. Will they fly or not? Let's wait and see.
There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away. Heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just like
There's also a small play area beside the balloon, hot air balloon.
You want to play there? Okay, let's go. Apan, what's on your backside?
These playing stalls.
You want to play?
No,
Why?
I don't want to.
Why? You grown up? That's why? Okay, let's go. So guys, इसके साथ ही करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो यहीं पर एंड.
उम्मीद करते हैं आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगी. अगर पसंद आएगी लाइक शेयर कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.
Bye.
See you later.
driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea, think we're getting.
If you like our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Travelsheesh for more videos. If you have a question, please place in the comments and we'll see you in the next video. Also don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Our handles are Travelsheesh. Bye.
I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud.